Hi guys, this is Maima and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some skincare tips for winters. Do not avoid washing your face. I know it's cold and chilly out here, but it's a sin. Most of your acne marks are caused by makeup residual. उसका basically ये मतलब है कि आपका makeup रह गया आपके face पे, आपने उसको ठीक से clean नहीं किया. जो residual है वो एक acne में बदल जाएगा. It is okay to maybe skip on it once a while, but you shouldn't. Even if you skip on it, sleep with your makeup on and wake up in the morning and find your skin so flawless, trust me, that's just for 2 more days. After 2 days, you're gonna see a huge pop. Go outside, experiment with multiple cleansers, and find the one that is best suitable to your skin. Make a shift of moisturizers which you were using in the summer that has to switch up. For summers, we prefer a very lightweight texture, but for winters, we need extra hydration. My personal recommendation is this moisturizer from Moist, a very affordable product, and this comes in a huge packaging. The entire box that I have in hand is for 430 rupees on MRP. I'm almost over with it. This also comes with a spatula that is super cute, like you can just scoop out the product. There you go. The product's not dirty, your hands are not dirty. In winters, my skin थोड़ी सी flaky, patchy सी हो जाती है all over the place. Usually my lips and somewhere around here. Another recommendation I have is this Recoil moisturizer, the face moisturizer that's for oily and combination dry skin. There are 3 different variants to go for, and they're very affordable. Everybody can use it, but I would prefer not to use it for oily skin type because even in winters there is some level of secretion from the glands from the face. You have natural oil coming in, and this is gonna make it super oily. Whenever I do my skincare, I take about a good 5 minutes just to massage the product into my skin. After the massage, I feel so plump and like so juicy on my cheeks.
Plump. I want to look plump.
It's unbelievable. Do not forget to use a toner before your moisturizer. The cleanser is supposed to take out all the excess oil and clean your entire face from dirt and pollution, but that also takes the hydration from your face. That is when a toner is needed. The toner will bring back the hydration to your skin, and just like the inside of your body, the outside of your body also requires water. Not only does your face, but your entire body requires extra hydration during winters. It's so dry, it's so flaky, and the skin starts peeling off. Usually I have it about here somewhere. Opt for a body lotion or an oil after you get done with your bath. Since the skin tends to go drier in the winters, it is better to go with an oil based, not even oil based, but like oil itself or a body lotion. Only use an oil on your body if you suffer from extreme dryness. I find weekly face masks to be the holy grail. Face masks are very important to seasonal changes, to weather changes. Throughout the day, you go through many different weather changes, let alone a month. Our skin is bound to react. Face masks are the easiest way to bring back hydration. You can opt for different face masks with different concerns. You can go for 2 face masks a week. It's much more economical to get sheet masks rather than buy those big tubs of masks that you're never going to use. Sheet masks are so affordable, they're so durable, travel friendly, and easy to use. Nykaa is always running a great scheme on face masks that come from Tony Moly, Garnier, or Nykaa Naturals. These are my top 3 favorites. A face mask should generally cost you around 100 rupees. Anything above, below, around it is a steal. Sunscreen is important regardless the weather, regardless of the time of the day. Even if you're inside, you still need a sunscreen. It may seem useless in the winter, but trust me, the UV rays are still coming to you. वो आपके पास तक तब भी आ सकते हैं, even if you're in a closed room. The UV rays travel in the air. It's like airborne. The rays might not be as warm as you feel in the summers, but they're still penetrating inside your skin. It is essential to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Lips are the first things to get effect on when we shift to the winter season. Lip balm is essential. With our lips cracking, we may tend to just rip it apart and give ourselves a very sore wound, which is so painful. It is so painful. You can't eat spicy food, you can't eat salty food. Anything touches your lip on that end, burning. My personal recommendation for lip balms is going to be my personal favorite, the OG Vaseline. I was in a boarding school for 4 years and I tried slugging even before it was a trend. I remember being in fifth standard, slapping on a whole bunch of Vaseline on my face and going off to sleep. In the morning, it would be so sticky, but I would just run to the washroom and wash my face as soon as I got up. Obviously, after the prayer, we had like a little prayer thing. It was a convent boarding school. It would leave me with such plump skin you can't imagine. On top of all this, my boarding school was at a very popular hill station. Use an oil based primer or a facial oil if you suffer with extreme dryness. There are many types of facial oils available in the market. Like there is jojoba oil, there is vitamin C oil, there is almond oil, anything. Whatever suits your skin more, whatever your concern is, buy according to your concern. A facial oil or an oil based primer. You can start even with 100 and you can go up to 10,000 rupees, and that's totally your personal choice. Make it a point to never use oil directly on your face. Take some moisturizer on the back of your hand, add some droplets of oil, and just mix it before you apply it all over your face. The formulation of your products should be liquid or cream. It is best to stay away from matte finish foundations, matte finish blushers, because that's not going to help. It's going to dry up your skin even more. Just like avoiding matte for foundations, you should also be avoiding matte finish for blushers, for highlighters, for contour, everything. Liquid products will help bring back hydration to your face, as 70% of a foundation, 70% of a blusher, 70% of a highlighter is aqua, meaning water. Try using as many hydrating products as you can, better for your skin. Avoid using compact powders. They are gonna cake up your face so bad it's gonna be leaving you all patchy. Instead of loose powders, I would recommend using a banana powder if you have hyperpigmentation. Using a banana powder is gonna give you an extra layer of coverage when it comes to acne marks like I have about here. The banana powder is so helpful. We all love a gorgeous matte lip, but that's a complete no-no in winters. Stay away from matte lipsticks. They're gonna suck up all the hydration out of your lips and leave your lips cracked. Switch up to a creamy bullet lipstick instead. You may have to reapply the bullet lipstick again and again very often, but it is so much better than a cracked lip, isn't it? Like the humans that we are, we forget to drink water in winters. Winters is so dry, while in the summers you're sweating, your body's asking for more. The best way to track your daily water intake is to have an app on your phone, and it will most definitely help you. It may seem like a bare minimum necessity, but water is as important as a sunscreen. You glow on the outside only when you're glowing on the inside. Water not only helps you with your blood circulation and metabolism, but also excretes waste that is no longer needed. With winters, many of us suffer with dry eyes or watery eyes. That's when you should opt for waterproof mascaras and kajals instead of a normal one. It doesn't smudge all across your face. That's all for today. Do not forget to subscribe, share, and like my video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.